I had a recent conversation with a client who wanted to refinance to get equity and pay off their debts. They have a big equity on their home and a combined income of over $100,000 a year. So, naturally, they thought siguro maa-approve na sila. Kasi nga, may equity na yung bahay nila, tapos mataas pa yung income nila. Pero, when we did the numbers, they still couldn't qualify for the refinancing amount they wanted. Why? Because even if malaki yung equity nila sa bahay at malaki yung income nila, the lender will still look at their debt-to-income ratios. Meaning, kung gaano kalaki ang utang mo compared sa income mo. So sometimes, we think our income is enough. But, when we factor in your monthly obligations, loans, credit cards, and other expenses, the numbers still don't fit the lender's requirements. So, ang key takeaway dito ay, even if you have a strong equity and a decent income, it doesn't automatically mean you'll qualify for refinancing. That is why it's so important to review your financial situation first para hindi sayang ang time and effort. And so we can plan properly for your next step. And at the end of the day, my goal is to help you understand your options clearly so we can make a strategy that works for you and gets you closer to your financial goals.